Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this is December weekly reading. So let's see your messages, Aries. First card, Ten of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Cups. I think Aries, you are feeling overburdened, definitely. Due to any reason, due to it could be relationship or some job tension, whatever, definitely you are feeling some overburden, definitely overburden. And I think in relationship wise, even though you have feelings for your person, but I think you are holding back, and it's more than enough, because enough is enough, because you don't want to feel this energy anymore. Ten of Wands, but someone coming towards you, Knight of Wands, they are very passionate about you, and they have strong emotions for you. For some, even though you have strong emotions for your person, but you are feeling like this energy, you don't like this. So let's see some more messages, what's going on. And your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more messages, Aries. King of Swords, Seven of Wands, Page of Pentacles. I think you are very straightforward and very honest and truth speaking person, definitely, because King of Swords. I think some communication is coming in your way. If you are in no contact or less contact or in separation, definitely you also want to give clarity to your person. And a Page of Pentacles, definitely some communication you will receive from your person and some messages. Or Seven of Wands, definitely your person don't want to give up on you, because they are very passionate about you. Yeah, but you don't want this anymore. For some, if you want this, but you want to express their feelings. And I mean that you want to express your feelings, you want to give clarity, okay? Because if there is no equal give and take, then overburden, you feeling overburdened. So if you want to be in this relationship, definitely you want there will be a equal give and take. There will be some terms and conditions I am getting. So let's see some more. Yeah, see, these two cards are popped out. Five of Cups and Five of Wands. Definitely for some there is separation. Five of Wands, I think your person is fighting for your attention. For some there are some fightings between you and your person. Yeah, your person is sneaky. They're playing mind games with you. Lot of readings got this card, why I don't know. But what I'm seeing here, why you are feeling overburdened, because your person is sneaky and playing games with you. Maybe your person could be manipulator also. They don't offer commitment. They are in and out your life, because nights are always in and out your life. That creates more burden to you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Let's see some more. Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and Hermit. Your person could be Virgo. So, excuse me, sorry. Okay, you stand by your power no matter what. Aries, it's your card, fire energy. Definitely you stand by your power, but your person coming back with solid offer, but they are sneaky, they are playing games with you. Ace of Pentacles, They want to offer long-term commitment this time, but one person in this connection is spiritually awakening. I think it's you not talking to your person. You are isolated them from all because you're spiritually awakening. It could be you are your person, but if your person is coming back, I think in person your person may be past they were sneaky, but for some your person may be really changed. For some maybe not. So depending upon your situation, you have to take right decision. So here lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions, then we will get more clarity. Definitely your person feeling sad for the separation. You also feeling sad, but you stand by your power because you know that your person playing games with you. Eight of Cups, separation. Walking away. Yeah, Ten of Wands. Yeah, Magician with 6, 7 of Swords. Manipulator, playing games. Definitely your person also feeling sometimes overburdened. I think they are feeling that you are feeling overburdened. You walked away. I think you walked away from this connection. One person is walked away. Definitely, I think it's you. Aries. Definitely your person thinking that you walked away. You feeling overburdened. But they are trying to manifesting back again their life because the Magician. Definitely your person may be manipulator. Be careful before giving another chance if it is third party, because for some it could be third party also. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely you walked away from this connection, separation. So let's see the near future actions towards you, but they are trying to manifesting you back and they are trying to manipulate again. Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Five of Wands. Definitely still there are some fightings going between you and your person. Yeah, they are very, very passionate about you. They are attracted to you. Yes, they are attracted to you and they are very passionate about you. But in action wise, only there is passion and attraction, but they want to offer commitment. But in action wise, there is no perfect action towards you because only there is passion and attraction, but no action cards here. No commitment cards also. Five of Wands. Definitely they are still want to fight for your attention. I am getting here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed. So these are mutual energies. First we will see your person, mutual and connection, where your connection is headed in your future. King of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, the Star, Four of Cups. Yeah, you already invested in this connection, Aries, but now you don't want to accept this cup of love because your person is sneaky, you know about that, but your person want to express their feelings. King of Swords. I think for some your person really changing, for some maybe not. So depending upon your situation, because King of Swords communication, definitely they want to express their true feelings to you and they want to be honest with you. They are still hoping for this connection. Yeah, the Star, Aquarius, your person could be, and your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely they are still hoping for this connection and they want to invest on this connection, but you are like this. You don't want. For some maybe you also still hoping for this connection to work out. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Yeah, you stand by your power, already I told you. And Eight of Swords and Queen of Pentacles and Empress. Definitely you stand by your power and Queen of Pentacles, and you are the one person always giving in this connection. You are very sharing and caring person. Eight of Swords. Definitely you are also feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about your person and when you are about this relationship. But end of the day, definitely you overcome all the dust burden and you become like this. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Wow, you want to be single. You no more want any drama. Okay, so let's see your person overall energy. Temperance, Six of Pentacles, Hermit. I think the one person who undergoes spiritual awakening, for some it could be your person, and Queen of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you guys, and they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. They want to offer equal give and take. And Temperance, patience and balance. Definitely there is no balance in this connection in past, but now your person want balance in this connection, and they're waiting for the right time, and they're waiting patiently. Yeah, they're waiting for the chance to come towards you. Your person could be Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So definitely they want to offer some solid commitment to you, but it's up to you because some sneaky energy is here, guys. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. And click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. Bye.